guys, so me and Aiden are back and we are going to make a grilled cheese sandwich in this video, but we are going to make it in this handy snack and sandwich maker. If you do not have one of these, you really might want to invest in them. You can find them at thrift stores, you can find them at garage sales because they are older, or you can find the new ones, but this will make your life so much easier when you are making after school snacks for your kids. So let's get started on making grilled cheese sandwich. Now you want to take one of these and plug it in and make sure it heats up, and then you are ready to put your bread and your ingredients inside. If you don't have one of these, you can of course make your grilled cheese sandwich in a pan and flip it over on both sides. So you want to take your bread and the butter side down, and you want to take some cheese, put it on one side, and then you want to take some turkey or ham. My boys really love the ham, but kind of don't have any ham right now. So you want to take a couple pieces, 2 or 3. I definitely have some meat lovers here, so they love lots of meat on theirs. And then you want to take the other side and see the bread. Make sure that side's up and close it. And when this kind of makes it so there's not as big a gap, then it is done and ready to check. Alright, so there's less of a gap, and let's check it. Oh, this looks perfect. It is golden brown and all the cheese melted, and it is ready. So if you don't have one of these handy sandwich makers, you might want to go buy it. It makes your job so much easier. You can just leave it, walk away, come back, check on it. But if not, you know, you can take the regular way and take a pan and, you know, turn it over and then wait and turn it over again. But this way it cooks on both sides and has the nice line right here that you can just cut it. So let's let it cool off for a minute and then we'll cut it. Okay, so I use scissors. These are special scissors that are actually for your kitchen. If you can see, even says Betty Crocker scissors. So then you want to just cut it right on this line and cut it all the way through, because kids like their sandwiches cut. And then I usually serve mine with a side of ketchup, because kids love to dip their grilled cheese sandwich in ketchup. But my younger son, he loves it so much he doesn't even need the ketchup. Alright guys, as you can see, making grilled cheese sandwiches are super simple if you have one of those sandwich makers. If you don't, it's still super simple, but I would go and get one if I were you. So Aiden, do you want to try your sandwich?
Yeah.
Alright. Nice crunch. Ooh, what do you think of it? You like it? Tell me, what's your favorite part? The bread? The bread. Okay. Woo! Good? Well, thanks guys for joining us on making grilled cheese sandwiches. And come back and visit me and Aiden. We are here to make more recipes for you. Bye guys. Aiden, say bye.
Bye.